In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the default number of sheets in a workbook. To change the default number of sheets in a workbook, what you need to do is to go to the File menu. Then from the File menu, you click on Options. From the Option menu, you click on General. Then you scroll down to the section called Include this many sheet. You can now specify the number of default worksheets you need in this dialog box. For this example, I'm going to change that to 3 because I want the default worksheet whenever I open Excel to be 3. Then you click on the OK button. As you click on the OK button, it seems that nothing happened in the first place. So what you need to do is to close the application. Next time when you open the Excel application, you should have the 3 worksheets as a default worksheet. So I've got 3 default worksheets in this blank workbook. Hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching.